Hello everyone! Next we'll cover the horizontal calibration of the JINGYAN DXL180 single-axis digital inclinometer. We use these two grade 00 marble blocks to calibrate the horizontal and vertical angles of the instrument. Wipe the bottom reference surface and the marble calibration table with dust-free paper before calibration. Ensure the surfaces are clean and free of debris. Take the right angle edge of the marble platform as the reference line during calibration. Align the bottom reference plane of the instrument parallel to the right angle edge of the platform. Long press the 0 key to enter the accuracy calibration program. Short press the SED key again to start calibration. During calibration, the digital display screen will flash. When the screen stops flashing, rotate the instrument 180 degrees as prompted and place it back in the original position. Press the SED key to continue calibration. Place the inclinometer as prompted. Press the SED key to continue calibration. Flip it 180 degrees as prompted and put it back to the original position. Press the SED key to continue calibration. Calibration completed. These are the full calibration steps for the DXL180C. Now perform a preliminary verification of the instrument reading. It can be seen that the instrument reading on the horizontal plane is 0.05 degrees. The instrument reading on the vertical plane is 90 degrees.